Does this look familiar? Doing simple home projects can be a nightmare with ordinary power tools. Installing a fixture means drilling pilot holes using dangerous, bulky, out-of-control saws. Got plumbing problems? You'll need an expensive, hard-to-use tile saw, a hole saw, and a whole lot of patience and time. Kitchen makeovers are a nightmare with jigsaws and circular saws that can do expensive damage and ruin your work in seconds. And after you've had enough of the pile of power tools, you still end up paying a contractor to do the job anyway. Well, not anymore. Introducing Turbo Thrust Saw, the incredible new power tool that goes anywhere and cuts anything fast and easy. Plunge cut right into any surface with perfect precision, with no need for pilot holes, for outlets, windows, doors, ductwork and more. The secret is Turbo Thrust Saw's revolutionary cutting bits with side-cutting microblades for smooth, clean, 360-degree cutting action. Once you plunge cut into the material, you can move in any direction, giving you total, precise control over your cut. And at 20,000 RPM, it's 10 times faster than an ordinary cordless drill. Now that's real power in the palm of your hand. With all the blades and attachments, it's like having thousands of pounds worth of tools all in one compact machine you'll love to use. It's the most versatile saw ever made. It's the Turbo Thrust Saw.
Hi everybody, I'm Joe Fowler, and this is the incredible new Turbo Thrust Saw. You have never seen a power tool like this before. Say hello to the super saw that can do it all. And if you're a weekend warrior, like me, we've got projects, right? Maybe you're installing a light fixture or a vent or an outlet. Well, let's do it the old-fashioned way first. You gotta start with a pilot hole. I know, not easy, not fun, but it must be done because the only way to get a saw inside this drywall is with a pilot hole. And then you start sawing, whether it's a hand saw or a reciprocating saw. You can't control the depth. You don't know what you're sawing back there. And in fact, I know I'm hung up on something, and sure enough, look at this. I'm cutting electrical wire. It's dangerous. Not good. And when you get to the bottom and you gotta turn, I gotta do another pilot hole. This is work. Come on, let's have some fun. No pilot hole needed. Look, I'm plunging right in. Now I'm using the drywall bit that comes with your turbo saw. It's especially designed to cut in any direction. When I get to the corner, Turbo Thrust Saw turns the corner, still cutting, whether it's left, right, up, down, doesn't matter, any direction. The incredible turbo blade is spinning up to 20,000 RPM. And because I control the depth of the cut, with Turbo Thrust, I'm not worried about that electrical wire back there. Look at this. I'm only cutting the drywall. The wire is untouched. Turbo Thrust Saw simply glides through every single project. Turbo Thrust Saw just made this project fast, easy, and safe. Problem solved. Turbo Thrust comes with everything you need to tackle all the jobs around your house or on the job site, like this innovative dust extractor. Just hook it up to your home vacuum or your shop vac, and you're working virtually dust-free.
One of the things I like best is the straight cutting guide. With a regular jigsaw, if I try to cut a straight line, sometimes it wanders all over the place, but with the straight cutting guide, I can cut lines just as straight as an arrow. And man, is this thing ever versatile. The Turbo Thrust Saw is the saw that does it all.
Installing a stove is easy if you have the right tool. Let's get started. We'll start with a plunge cut. And folks, we just plunged through laminate and particle board, and we did it with ease. And you notice this is a clean job because we're using the dust extractor attachment. And because the high-speed microblade, I can move in any direction. 90-degree turn, simple, fast, easy. Just follow your line, and before you know it, you've made a professional cutout without having to pay a professional to do it. The hardest part of this project was actually easy, thanks to my Turbo Thrust Saw. Wouldn't it be great if one tool could clear out this grout, remove the broken tile, and cut new tile? Well, now one tool can. The Turbo Thrust Saw with the carbide tile tip. Watch it easily cut through the grout around the broken tiles. And with the dust extractor attached, there's no grout dust flying in your face. No more struggling to dig out the grout. No more renting big, bulky, messy, expensive tile saws. You don't need any of that. Now I can pull the bad tiles out, and look at this. I can cut the half tile down to size for the perfect fit because the Turbo Thrust Saw comes with a tile cutter bit. This tool could do it all. Out with the old, in with the new. I've got to get these two pipes through this tile wall. Now this is a home plumbing project nightmare, but not for the Turbo Thrust Saw. Come on, let's do this. We'll start by using the diamond tile hole blade. Watch it go to work. You don't need a plumber for this job. Look at the Turbo Thrust go. Hey, we're done with the first hole. Let's go to the second one. This diamond blade will take the place of those expensive tile cutting wet saws. And just like that, we're done. Will you look at that? Perfect holes for the perfect fit. Problem solved. And you just saved a ton of time and money with the Turbo Thrust saw. Here's a chore. You gotta cut a round hole for a ceiling fan or ductwork. This is not easy. It takes more than one tool. First of all, you gotta cut a pilot hole. Then, if you take a jigsaw, you lose control of it. You gotta stay on the line. And if you think you get better control with a handsaw, think again. It's choppy and imprecise. And in the end, look at it. It's a mess. Using the circle cutting attachment, just mark the center of where you want the hole. Adjust the guide to match. Now, push it into the mark. You're ready to go. Just place, plunge, and go. And use that handle to turn it. It's simple. The Turbo Thrust saw glides through the surface, giving you contractor-grade precision. Look at that perfect circle. And now we add our ductwork, and just like that, fast, smooth, perfect results every time with the Turbo Thrust saw. If you plan to repair or replace your flooring, then you're gonna love the Turbo Thrust saw. Tight, straight cuts are a breeze when you use the straight cutting guide. You just simply adjust the depth and go. Now watch as I cut into the wood, I hit the exact depth. And now the straight cutting guide takes over. I'm letting the tool do all the work. And we're done. Take a look. Oh, look at this cut. It's straight and professional. It's perfect. Now let's take the flooring over to the wall. The fit has to be perfect. And it is! Another home repair project done fast and easy with a Turbo Thrust saw. Do you need to hide your messy wires and cables? Turbo Thrust saw to the rescue. Because Turbo Thrust also comes with the straight router bit for routing perfect channels into wood. Now I've added my straight edge guide for this project. I'm cutting into the baseboard with the router bit. Notice I'm cutting into it but not through it. See, the Turbo Thrust saw is creating the perfect channel for all my wires. I have my corner cut, my straight cut, and in no time, I'm finished. Now, drop in your wires, install the baseboard, and your cables are out of sight. The Turbo Thrust saw also comes with this profiling router bit. It's perfect for creating smooth, professional finished wood edging and detailing. With all these bits and all these accessories included with your Turbo Thrust saw, you can do everything yourself and never pay for a handyman again. You even get a custom collet wrench and 3 adjustable collets so you can use any size bits, even the ones you already own. Do you need proof that the Turbo Thrust saw can cut it all? Well, take a look at this. 12 surfaces, 1 super saw. Turbo Thrust saw comes with 5 different wood and multi-purpose bits to tackle any job around your home or on the job site. Plywood is a fast and easy cut. Acrylic cuts clean and precise. Need to cut fiberglass? Not a problem. Even corrugated steel roofing is no match. Laminated flooring, it's tough? Not tougher than this. Our tile blade delivers the perfect cut. Metal plating, this job is fast and easy. What about PVC pipes? Done. Laminate and wood together, nothing stops the Turbo Thrust saw. And construction grade metal alloy, the super saw does it all. Now that's the power and versatility you can trust for all your home projects. Can your saw do that? And with so many different attachments and bits, no wonder it's the choice of contractors, do-it-yourselfers, and weekend warriors everywhere.
One of the things I like best is the straight cutting guide. With a regular jigsaw, if I try to cut a straight line, sometimes it wanders all over the place, but with the straight cutting guide, I can cut lines just as straight as an arrow. And man, is this thing ever versatile. The Turbo Thrust saw is the saw that does it all.
Installing a stove is easy if you have the right tool. Let's get started. We'll start with a plunge cut. And folks, we just plunged through laminate and particle board and we did it with ease. And you notice this is a clean job because we're using the dust extractor attachment. And because the high-speed microblade, I can move in any direction. 90-degree turn, simple, fast, easy. Just follow your line, and before you know it, you've made a professional cutout without having to pay a professional to do it. The hardest part of this project was actually easy, thanks to my Turbo Thrust saw. Today on the show, we've seen what the Turbo Thrust saw can do, but what do the professionals think? Well, to find out, we went to a home improvement trade show to put the Turbo Thrust saw in the hands of contractors and experts. Let's hear what they had to say.
As lightweight as it is, it cut like a saw. but it handled like a drill. It's very powerful and very versatile. I've never seen anything like the Turbo Thrust saw. That thing is incredible.
The Turbo Thrust saw just seems to cut on its own. It glides through really easy. I just fell in love with it.
The straight cutting guide was fantastic. It just lines itself right up, and then all of a sudden you're moving along, and I have to do any of the work. All I got to do is hold it in place. So with the Turbo Thrust saw, it makes it that much easier.
It's amazing. I was able to cut every angle without taking it out like a jigsaw. It just flowed nicely. It's all in one tool. You don't need anything else.
The hardest thing in the world is to cut a perfect circle, but with the Turbo Thrust saw, it was effortless. I put it down, it basically scrolled for me like a compass. I was just amazed. It's the most versatile tool I've ever used.
Find out for yourself just how versatile the Turbo Thrust saw really is. Try one in your home. Here's how to get yours right now.